Hey everyone, in this video let's find out how you can remove vocals from Suno. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com and we're on the Create tab here. You can go to the library as well, but here on the Create tab, what we want to do is we're going to find just a song that we want to remove the vocals from. And on the right hand side, you're going to see Remix and this three-dot menu. Go ahead and click on the three-dot menu, and if you come down to edit, then you're going to see this option that says Get Stems MIDI. Is that also available in the remix option? No, it is not. So yes, you want to go to three-dot menu, go to edit, and then go to Get Stems. Click on that, and when you do, you're going to get this option here. You have two options here. You can either extract all detected stems, or you can extract vocals and instrumental. And basically what this does is with all detected stems, Suno is going to analyze the entire song and it's going to separate it into its separate instruments, whatever those might be. So this is something that if you want to take this into your own DAW, digital audio workstation, then you can do that. And this is probably what you're going to be looking for. However, if you want to keep things simple, you can just do the extraction for vocals and instrumental, and what this does is just separates it exactly as you see by vocals and instrumental. Now, one of the reasons you might not want to do this is if there are background vocals and you want to either remove those or maybe keep those, then this is where you're going to want to stick with the all detected stems, and then from there just take the vocal track out and you should be good to go. But if you want the simple version, then just go with vocals and instrumental, but just be aware if you like the backing vocals, you're going to want to go with the all detected stems. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our Linktree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our referral code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link and you can get $50 to open an account, and if you refer your friends and family, you'll get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.